Universe is a mystery that has always puzzled mankind. How was it created and who is responsible for its creation? In Hinduism, there are many theories about it, and let's explore some of them. It is believed that the universe is created through the actions of Lord Vishnu, who is a maintainer, Lord Brahma, who is a creator, and Lord Shiva, who is a destroyer. Our universe is not a single entity. It belongs to multiverse. There are infinite number of universes that are constantly being created and destroyed. Our universe will ultimately die, but multiverse lives on. Lord Brahma is born on each of the new universes created. He creates all the life forms and he then dies before the beginning of next one. So, he is a representation of a physical world that we live in. Lord Vishnu is responsible for continuation of life in all the universes. So he is a representation of eternal universe that exists forever without any beginning or an end. The current universe represented by Brahma is quite temporary as he lives only for 100 years. But don't be panic, 100 Brahma years is quite long when converted to human years. Now let's see what is 100 Brahma years. Vishnu Puran details about yug measurements. Mahayug is made of 4 subyugs, Kali Yug being the shortest one and lasts for 432,000 years, followed by Dwapara Yug, which is twice as long as Kali Yug and lasts for 864,000 years. Then comes Treta Yug, which is thrice as long as Kali Yug and lasts for 1.296 million years. Then finally a Satya Yug, which is 4 times as long as Kali Yug and lasts for 1.728 million years. In a Mahayug, these 4 subyugs are distributed in the ratio 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. So in all, Mahayug lasts for 4.32 million years. 71 such Mahayugs are combined to form one Manvanta that comes around 306.72 million years. According to ancient text, at the beginning of Manvanta, new life forms are created and are destroyed at the end of it. So, all the life forms on earth will eventually be destroyed after 306.72 million years of evolution. Interestingly, 252 million years ago, Earth experienced largest mass extinction event and most of the species on the earth were killed. After each mass extinction, there is a period of recovery called as Sandhikal. This period lasts for one Satyayug or 1.728 million years. According to modern science, it took approximately around 10 million years for an Earth to recover from extinction event. 14 such Manvantars and their Sandhikals are combined to form one Kalp. Just like one day on Earth, universe also has a day which is called Kalp. On an inversal scale, one day of Brahma or an inverse is said to be 14 Manvantars plus 15 Sandhikals, which sums up to 4.32 billion years, which is approximately equal to 1000 Mahayugs. On an inversal scale, one complete day consists of day and night, which are of same period. So, one complete day of Brahma or an inverse is said to be of 2 kalpas, which is around 8.64 billion years. According to ancient text, only during the day life forms are created and during night no creation takes place. Interestingly, according to modern scientific discoveries, oldest life form found on Earth is 4.28 billion years ago. On an universal scale, one year has 360 days. So, one year of Brahma or an inverse lasts for 311.04 billion years. 100 Brahma years are defined as lifespan of Brahma or an universe, which is called Mahakalpa, which lasts for 311.04 trillion years. So, Brahma or an universe is said to end at 100 universal years or 311.04 trillion years. Ancient Indian text specifies that time is cyclic in nature. Destruction of one universe is again followed by creation of another one, and new Brahma is born with each new universe. Out of curiosity, let's now see what is the current age of universe that we are living in now. According to ancient text, universe is currently on the first day of 51st year. We are in the Kali Yuga of 28th Mahayuga of the 7th Manvantar. We have come to calculations again. Current age of universe is a summation of 50 universal years, 6 Manvantars, 7 Sandhikals and 28 Mahayugs. 50 universal years calculates to 155,520 million years. 6 Manvantars calculates to 1840.32 million years. 7 Sandhikals calculates to 12.096 million years. And 28 Mahayugs calculates to 120.96 million years. Numbers are getting complicated now. So in all, as per the ancient text, current age of the universe is 157.49 trillion years. It is very surprising that ancient Indians were working on great scale of time, ranging from hundreds to trillions, with specific names given to such large period of time. There is no other ancient civilizations that talk in terms of billions and trillions of years of calculations. This video is an attempt to appreciate the great intellect of ancient Indians.